Hey y'all, it's your girl Mo of All Things Mo L. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I am going to be using one of CurlMix's wash and go kits in order to achieve this holiday inspired look. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. But of course, just make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and that you have hit that notification bell so that you will not miss when I post new uploads. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox today's kit. I am going to be using the fragrance-free kit today for my style. So I'm just showing you guys the packaging. I love that it comes with this little pamphlet in there. It kind of goes into detail about the CurlMix method and how you should be applying the products. So the 4 products in the kit are, of course, the clarifying shampoo. It's the aloe vera shampoo. Then there is the grapeseed conditioner for step 2, the avocado moisturizer for step 3, and the flaxseed gel for step 4. So of course I'm going to begin today's wash day by cleansing and conditioning my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do step 1 and step 2, cleanse and condition. And this is what we are working with straight out of the shower. So to prep for today's style, I am going to move on to step 3 of the CurlMix method, and that is to moisturize using their pure avocado moisturizer. So what I like to do when applying the moisturizer is work in sections. So I am going to be sectioning my hair off into 4 sections, and then I'm going to apply the moisturizer throughout each section. Now the CurlMix method suggests that you do this on a soaking wet hair, and typically I would apply this while still in the shower, but for styling purposes today I wanted to do this on camera, so I'm just making sure to keep a bottle of warm water on hand to re-wet the sections as I need to. So I'm going to start off by applying about a nickel size amount to the section, and then as I work it through, if I feel like I need a little bit more of the moisturizer, I will add it, but I'm starting off with a nickel sized amount, and I'm just going to work it through that section, apply water if needed, and just really make sure that the product has absorbed before moving on to the next section. So after my entire head has been moisturized, I'm just going to start parting off a small section at the front across the entire front of my head, and that section is going to serve for my Bantu-Knot crown that I'm going to do for this style. So the next thing I'm going to do with that subsection at the front is just make 2 slanted parts on the side of my head to basically make 3 smaller subsections. So those 3 sections will make up my Bantu-Knot. So I wanted to do slanted parts to kind of give like a triangle effect, as you guys will see as I continue working. But that is what I'm doing right now, just making 2 parts so that I can have my 3 sections for my Bantu-Knots. So to form the actual Bantu knots is super simple. All I'm doing is grabbing a little bit of the flaxseed gel from CurlMix, and I'm just going to apply the gel to each of those 3 sections. Again, this is the 4th step of the wash and go kit. So I'm just going to apply the gel to those sections and then just twirl my hair around to form the base of the Bantu knot, and then just wrap it around to form the actual Bantu knot. So after the Bantu knot crown is done, this is what we are working with. And then I'm just going to turn my attention to the back of my hair. And basically all I'm going to do is just go through section by section. I'm going to make sure my hair is nice and saturated with water. And I am going to apply that flaxseed gel just like I would do for a regular wash and go, section by section. I'm going to be sure to use my fingers to kind of work the product through. I'm not going to use any combs or brushes at this point per the CurlMix method. I just want to apply the product, let it define my curls, and then I'm going to let it dry. Alright, so this is my hair after it has dried. I sat under the dryer for about 20 minutes and then diffused the roots, and my hair was completely dry. And then all I did was just added some decorative bobby pins at the crown just for a little razzle dazzle. This is a holiday look, but yeah, this is the final look. I absolutely love it. Check out my description box for details on how to purchase, and I hope you guys enjoyed this and found it informative. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.